Hi, I'm your host. I do the boring research so you don't have to. Let's learn, build, and grow together.
Most people are still treating AI like a calculator, typing long prompts and hoping for a good answer. But the top 1% of professionals have stopped chatting and started operating. We are officially entering the Agentic Era, and today I'm showing you the 80-20 of building your own AI dream team, the context shift. In case you haven't noticed, the context you give AI now matters way more than how you word the request. For years, we've memorized complex prompting frameworks like Risen or Race, but those are now collapsing into one simple rule. Give the AI a clear outcome and the right context. As Jeff Su points out, handing an AI a list of things you've loved in the past will beat a 10-minute prompt every single time. The Agentic News Byte, why is this happening now? Because the software is moving from conversation to execution. This week, Anthropic launched Claude Core, a coordinated team of agents designed for complex work. Even Zoom is getting an agentic makeover to handle your follow-ups autonomously. And the biggest signal? OpenAI just bought Ona to give their Codex agents the power to execute technical work at a much higher level. The operator benchmark. How do we know AI is ready to operate? Look at the benchmarks. New systems are hitting 78.7% on OSWorld verified, meaning AI can now navigate a computer desktop and move between apps just like a human. It's no longer an assistant, it's a dependable operator. This is the shift from reasoning to execution that you need to be ready for. The side hustle opportunity. Don't just watch the shift, profit from it. I recommend launching an AI resume optimization service. As AI takes over hiring, standard resumes are being ignored by AI filters. Use Jeff Su's 5 golden rules for resumes and combine them with these new agentic tools to help professionals land interviews in this new era. My final verdict? The label is marketing. The integration is the actual event. Stop looking for the perfect prompt and start building the perfect system.
If you want to stay ahead of the hype, join over 40,000 insiders in my free weekly newsletter. Click the link below to get your resource vault and stay future ready.
If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next AI Insider Byte.